Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT2 and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. Now to get started, you want to open up your standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Google folder, right over here. Once you open it up, you would normally see your contacts, and possibly if you are logged into a Google account, you will probably be seeing all the contacts that are on the Google account and your Google account being visible as an icon right over here. Now this will come into play later on, but I'm just pointing it out right now. As you can see, when I click on it, I have only two options, SIM and the Google account. Now, to get started, we're gonna navigate right here to Fix and Manage, and then we're gonna select Import from SIM. And as you can see, it automatically selects a Google account. That's kind of the default. It will always, most of the phones default to a Google account if there is one. So if you don't want to import contacts to a Google account, you can tap on this and select something else like device. So this will then import it strictly just to this phone. Now the difference between those two options is if you select Google account, the contacts that you will be importing right now will appear on every other device that is logged in to this same exact Google account. While if you select this device, it will be imported strictly to this phone and only this phone. Now I'll be selecting device because these contacts already exist on the Google account. So as you've seen, if I select it, it deselects all of them because they all exist there. So it's preventing me from importing it twice. Now here we can deselect ones that we don't want, and from there you can click on import. It will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported. It will also ask you if you want to turn on backup and sync. I'm just gonna click on the screen, and then gives you the keep backup, whatever, keep off. I don't want it. It's just a backup for the Google. So from here, if we go back to contacts and we tap right here, we can now swap between the three different options. So we have now Google account, SIM, and the device, which wasn't visible here before. And when you tap on it, it will show you strictly contacts that are on that option that you have selected. So obviously if I select SIM, it's going to show me SIM contacts, Google account, obviously Google account contacts, and device, whatever is on the device. So there we go. And as you can see, that's also how you can swap between them if you have contacts in a couple places. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.